fashion Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I.
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl Snide Diamonds here, and I'm back here with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on, so you miss anything I post. And last time, these part of Diamond Squad. Go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go and watch my recent videos, especially the TLC video. I will link the TLC videos down below, so make sure you guys go and check them out. So today I'm gonna be doing like a summer look. I realize it's been a while since I've done a makeup look, so I'm just like, let me just do that. And also I just realized I haven't done a summer look yet, so I was like, why not, let me just do that. So I wanted to do like a whole sunset on my forehead as well, but I don't think I'm gonna do that for this video. But anyway, I'm gonna start off with the Glam Light paint palette. I'm gonna be using the orange, the yellow, and I want to throw some pink in there, so we'll see how this goes. So, see how this goes. So, okay. I'm going to start off with the yellow first. And by the way, I already have my makeup on. So, like the foundation, concealer, bronzer, and everything like that. Because I like to do these things off camera so that the video doesn't be too long. So just want to let y'all know that. So I'm not like one of those channels that, you know, likes to do the, you know, makeup look and then do the rest of my face, because I feel like that kills so much time in the video. So I'm just gonna pack on this yellow. To my liking, because I do want the yellow to show. So oh, by the way, I did put the Kylie Jenner concealer on my eyes as a base, so yeah. So I think this is to my liking. That's how the yellow is coming along. Now I'm just gonna blend it out on this side. Coming along good. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to take the orange. So I'm using the same brush, take the orange and just pack it on the outside. And kind of bringing it up where the yellow is, but not too much. Just doing that. And then kind of just blend it out right here a little bit, but not blending it too much because I still want that yellow to show. So just gonna drag it on to here. I'm gonna leave the middle empty a little bit right there for right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And just basically just do the same thing. Alright, yeah, so I blended it out. So now I'm gonna go into the shade fuchsia, and I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild brush. So just gonna pack it in the middle right there, and then do the same thing right here, pack it in the middle. And then just gonna try to blend it out, blend it in as much as I can with the orange. So I'm gonna take the same crease brush. This is from Bombshell's Cosmetica. I'm gonna do that, blend. I'm gonna go back into that orange because I feel like the yellow is showing a little bit too much. So I kind of want to blend it in that orange into the yellow a little bit more. So just go ahead and do that. Yeah, just a simple and easy look. And I'm gonna go into that orange again and actually put it right here. I know this is not the right brush for this, but screw it. It is what it is. Okay, so now I am going to go into my Dim Light Taco palette, and I am going to use the gold for my inner corners and brow bone. So that's like that, right there, right there. There it is. Now for blush and everything, that's the only thing I put. I didn't put blush, highlighter, and lipstick, and eyeliner and mascara. So for blush, I'm gonna go, I always use Pink Lemonade. So this is the Sugary Cosmetics basically ice cream blush palette. So I just always like to use this shade for my blush. I don't put too much blush though. I only put a little bit. When I mean a little bit, I mean like you can hardly see it a little bit. But hey, stop. And then for highlight, I'm going to I'm gonna go into the Glam Light Taco palette, and I'm gonna use that same gold shade that is called Mexican Cheese, and I'm gonna use that as a highlighter. Makes a pretty highlighter. I never used it as a highlighter before, the shade, so this is pretty nice though. Pretty nice glow, you know. Nice simple. Okay, so everything else I'm gonna do off camera. I mean not off camera. I'm gonna fast forward and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so it's the final look. I went ahead and used my Fenty Beauty eyeliner and mascara. Oh my god, I can't talk today. and my Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Lippy in the shade Wanted. So yeah, this is how the look came out. It's like a basic, you know, simple summer eye look. So yeah, my wing liner didn't come out the greatest, but you know I'm not good with wing liner. So yeah, so this is pretty much it. So anyways guys, I don't know if I said this was a pre-recorded video, but this is a pre-recorded video. That's why I'm wearing the same outfit. So I don't know if I'm gonna pre-record other videos, but yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give the video a thumbs up. I will be doing a 4th of July look as well. Just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for that, because I honestly don't know what to do for that. I don't want to keep on doing the same looks I've been doing for the past years. So anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, get the notification if you haven't, find me on my social media, and yeah, I'll see you guys in this video. Bye guys.
Christian Dior, I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I